In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change availability on Airbnb. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, whatever browser you have. So of course, once you open that browser, go to this URL section, simply type bnb.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on this website. So the first thing that you would like to do here is just go to the top right corner, click on these three lines, then click on login to log in into your account if you have one. As you can see, you can log in with your phone number or with Facebook, Google, Apple, or even email. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on sign up instead of login. And here you'll have to, of course, enter a phone number, or you can continue again with a Facebook, Google, Apple, or email. So if you just sign in into your account, you'll find this, and you will have, of course, to read all the term of service and make sure to agree on them and click on continue. And here you are. Welcome to Airbnb, and you'll have your account here. Of course, you will have to add your phone number as one of the steps if you want, especially to host some places to rent. And if you don't want to do that, click at I will do it later. You can upload a photo, as you can see, as the step two, or if you don't, you can click at I'll do it later, and you will be good to go with your account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to change availability on Airbnb. And of course, if you want to do that, you would like to go to your listing by clicking on manage listing, by clicking at your profile at the top right corner. And once you're here, of course, so once you click on your profile, then of course you'll be here. Click on your profile as we said, click on manage listing. Once you are here, make sure to click on calendar here at the top. And at the top right corner, you'll find this pricing and availability. Click on it. And here you can change the availability of your place and you'll be good to go. As you can see, this is going to be the night price. And if you scroll down, you'll find the trip length, which is availability, and even calendar availability. Choose whatever you want to edit. Click on edit and edit as you want, and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.